Are you having troubles in backing up all of your data into your OneDrive? Then this video is the right one for you. Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, where today I'm here with another new video to storycast on how you can back up all of your data from your computer or your PC into your laptop. To do so, all you have to do is download the actual OneDrive app of your OneDrive into your PC or laptop. To download the app, simply go onto your Google Chrome browser and search for OneDrive. And after going on and searching for OneDrive, go on to the download option like I'm showing on my screen. And after you do so, simply download the app. Here, after you press on this download option, it will actually download the setup.exe. After this is downloaded, simply click on it and open it up, and you'll be able to download the app of OneDrive. And after the app of OneDrive opens up and is downloaded on your PC, finish the setup of opening up your account, logging into it, and also finish all of the various steps that it will show you to finish up. After you have done so, you can see that a new folder of OneDrive Personal will be opened up in your File Explorer. Simply go on to that folder and go on inside that folder and then right click it. After that, go on to Settings. Here, if you go on to the Sync and Backup option, to back up all of your data, all you have to do is just enable all of these features that I'm showing on this video, like save photo and video from device. Simply open this up or enable it, and you'll be able to back up all of your photos, videos, and as well as different files from your computer into your OneDrive. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.